got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. B.U.B. and cash, spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills, tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique.
Good evening, y'all. Today's Mold Kit packages going out to Mr. Gary in Salem, Oregon, and we got Mr. Brandon in Los Angeles. I don't want to show too much people's information, but you know what I mean. This is how it works, guys. Once you get your orders in, you get the mold kit shipped out to you. I'm running to go drop it off to my post office guy right now. Got grills going out to Fort Worth, Texas. This is the 4-piece. This is 4 on top, 4 on bottom, separated. Shipping these out. Thank you for all the people around the country that support Seattle Go Grills, man. The movement is building in a rapid pace because you got to remember, it's people all over the country. So you guys are telling people in your city. They're telling people in their city. They're telling people in their country. And it's just crazy, you guys. Thank you, guys. We're really appreciative for all the love and support. Couldn't be more happier than the way last year went and the way next year is looking. Well, this year, sorry. Actually, the year's already started. So we're shipping these out today, guys. Come see us for Anything Jewelry. That's Anything Jewelry, y'all. You see me with my Lakers colors on today, too, y'all. Yeah, buddy. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. All right, peace.